Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Translate and selecting the target language. Once done, tap the speaker icon to trigger text-to-speech. You need the TTS menu open. Make sure your device TTS engine and the specific language pack are installed so alternative voices appear. If you're on Android, go to Settings Accessibility Text-to-Speech Output. On iOS, use Settings Accessibility Spoken Content. These steps expose voice selection options you'll change next. You now choose the male voice within the TTS engine Google Translate uses. First, switch the app to use your chosen TTS engine, then explore available voice variants, male options often labeled by name or number. Select the male variant and preview. Adjust speaking rate and pitch so pronunciation stays natural. If multiple male voices exist, test short phrases to compare clarity and accent. Once satisfied, confirm selection, so Translate uses this voice for future play. You finish by testing several sample phrases across languages to ensure the male voice persists. If Translate reverts or plays a different voice, restart the app or device, then reselect the TTS engine and voice. This often fixes caching issues. Make sure Google TTS is updated. If the male option isn't available, install additional TTS voice packs or a third-party TTS engine and set it as default. One key tip: clear app cache before retrying if changes don't apply immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.